students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English, grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 math chapter 11 perimeter and area. Today we will solve exercise 11.2. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is find the area of each of the following parallelogram. So here from the figure it is given height of parallelogram is 4 centimeter, base is 7 centimeter. Area of parallelogram equals to base into height, that is 7 into 4, 28 centimeter square. Second, the height is given 3 centimeter, base is given 4 centimeter. The formula is base into height, so 5 into 3, that is 15 centimeter square. Here, third question, height is given 3.5 centimeter, base is given 2.5 centimeter. Formula is base into height, so 2.5 into 3.5, it is 8.75 centimeter square. Next, D, height is given 4.8 centimeter, base is given 5 centimeter. Area is base into height, so 5 into 4.8, that is 24 centimeter square. Height is given 4.4 centimeter, base is given 2 centimeter. Area equals to base into height, so 2 into 2, 4.4, that is 8.8 centimeter square. Second question, find the area of each of the following triangles. So base is 4 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. Area of triangle equals to half into base into height, that is half into 4 into 3. So we can cut 2 and 4, so it will become 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter square. Next, base is given 3.2 centimeter, height is given 5 centimeter. Area of triangle equals to half into base into height, that is half into 3.2 into 5. We can cut 2 and 3.2, so it will become 1 into 1.6 into 5, so 8 centimeter square. Base is given 3 centimeter, height is given 4 centimeter. Area of triangle equals to half into base into height, that is half into 3 into 4. We can cut 2 and 4, so 1 into 3 into 2, that is 6 centimeter square. Base is given 3 centimeter, height is given 2 centimeter. Area is half into base into height, so half into 3 into 2, that is 1 into 3 into 3. 1 into 3 into 1, that is 3 centimeter square. Here 2 and 2 can cut. Third question, find the missing values. The base, height and area of parallelogram. So missing value we have to find. So from A, the base is given 20, height we have to find, area is given 246 centimeter square. So formula is base into height, so 246 equals to 20 into height. So height equals to 246 upon 20, that is 12.3 centimeter. Question second, base we have to find, height is given 15, area is given 154.5 centimeter square. So the formula is base into height, so 154 in 0.5 equals to base into 15. Base equals to 154.5 upon 15. So base equals to 10.3 centimeter. So base of the parallelogram is 10.3 centimeter. Third question, base we have to find, height is given 8.4 centimeter, area is given 48.72 centimeter square. So area of parallelogram equals to base into height, 48.72 equals to base into 8.4. So base equals to 48.72 upon 8.4. So base equals to 5.8 centimeter. Base of the parallelogram is given 15.6 centimeter. Height we have to find. Area is given 16.38 centimeter square. So area of parallelogram is base into height. So 16.38 equals to 15.6 into height. So height equals to 16.38 upon 15.6. So height equals to 1.05 centimeter. This is the full table. Fourth question, find the missing values. So first, in the first, height is not given. Base of triangle is given 15 centimeter. Area of triangle is given 16.38 centimeter square. So area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So 87 equals to half into 15 into height. Height equals to 87 into 2 upon 15. So height equals to 174 upon 15. So height equals to 11.6 centimeter. Second, height is 3.4 mm. Base is not given. Area is 1256 mm square. So area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So 1256 equals to half into base into 31.4. So base equals to 1256 into 2 upon 31.4. So base equals to 12512 upon 31.4. So base equals to 80 mm, that is 8 centimeter. Next, height we have to find. Base is given 22 centimeter. Area is given 170.5 centimeter square. So area of triangle equals to 170.5 equals to half into 22 into height. So 170.5 equals to 1 into 11 into height. Here 2 and 22 can cut. So height equals to 170.5 upon 11. So height equal to 15.5 centimeter. Fifth question, PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is 12 centimeter and QM is 7.6 centimeter, find the area of parallelogram PQRS. And second, we have to find QN if PS is 8 centimeter. So SR is given 12 centimeter, QM is 7.6 centimeter. Area of parallelogram we know base into height. So SR into QM, so 12 into 7.6, that is 91.2 centimeter square. Next, area of parallelogram equals to base into height. So 91.2 equals to PS into QN. So 91.2 equals to 8 into QN. So QN equals to 91.2 upon 8, that is 11.4 centimeter. Sixth question, DL and BM are the heights of the sides AB and AD respectively of the parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square, AB 35 centimeter and AD 49 centimeter, find the length of BM and DL. Area is given 1470 centimeter square, AB 35, AD 49. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So 1470 equals to AB into BM. So 1470 into 35 equals to 35 into DL. So DL equals to 1470 upon 35, that is 42 centimeter. Area of parallelogram equals to base into height. So 1470 into AD into BM. So 1470 equals to 49 into BM. BM equals to 1470 upon 49, that is BM equals to 30 centimeter. Seventh question, triangle ABC is a right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 13 centimeter and AC equals to 12 centimeter, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. AB is given 5, BC 13 and AC 12. Area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height. So half into AB into AC. So half into 5 into 12. We can cut 2 and 12. So 1 into 5 into 6, that is 30 centimeters square. Area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height. So 30 equals to half into AD into BC. 30 equals to half into AD into 13. So this 2 can come this side. So 30 into 2 upon 13 equals to AD. So AD equals to 4.6 centimeter. Question 8. Triangle ABC is an isosceles with AB equals to AC equals to 7.5 centimeter and BC equals to 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB, that is CE? So AB equals to AC equals to 7.5 centimeter, BC equals to 9 centimeter, AD equals to 6 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height. So half into BC into AD, that is half into 9 into 6. We can cut 2 and 6. So 1 into 9 into 3, that is 27 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height. So 27 equals to half into AB into CE. So 27 equals to half into 7.5 into CE. 27 into 2 upon 7.5 equals to CE. So CE equals to 7.2 centimeter. This was exercise 11.2 of chapter 11 class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.